Nizam Africa sanibonani dumelang apsheni and hello. This is Dr. Oti Kehlela Makehla Nyangenkulu yaseNizam Africa, the Oracle of God himself, ngiseGoli 180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. Ila ngikhona ngisebenza abantu, ngivula inhlanhla zabantu, ngiyathwasisa, ngiphakamisa abantu. The reason why mina ngiphakamisa abantu is because isiphakamo it is very clean. You must remember ukuthi mina I'm on the prophetic side. Ngumuntu ukuthi nginenkonzo. So uma nginenkonzo ngisebenza kakhulu ngesiphakamo. Ngisebenza kakhulu ngento yedlozi, more than into enobumnyama ngaphakathi, into ezifuna amagazi nokubulala and all that. Mina ngumuntu ukuthi ngisebenza ngento yedlozi, ngento yethongo, ngento okuphakamisa umuntu, ngento okuvula umuntu. Ngwaneso mamela. Ngumelaphi ndabuko, ngumprofeti wakwantu, ngumuntu ukuthi ngisiza abantu ngendlela zamathongo, ngemithi yamathongo, ngeimpande zamathongo. If uqala umbona today, dumela, sawubona, thokoza, absheni and hello. This Dr. Oti Ngwaneso, kya amuela on my YouTube channel, kya go amogela, kya wamuela, kyore kya lamuela chi. Nansi ndaba. My topic says Mpesu is nothing. Try ndoda emnyama. Mpesu is nothing. Try ndoda emnyama. Abantu abaningi they've tried impesu zanye yabasebenzela. Abanye bayizama yabasebenzela, but mpesu, what's boring with mpesu is this one. Is this thing. By the way, mkuloti kanti mpesu yini. Mpesu, it's a herb. It's a mixture of herbs of which are being mixed so that one can be able to perform sexual rights to his partner katsela a right. Because if you're a person omuntu wesilisa, then unenkinga zokuthi ubudoda bakho buphakame. Amadoda mostly uses impesu. Ngamanye amagama umpesu umvusa nduku. Mpesu impande yokuvusa induku noma yokuvusa ipipi elilele. Mpesu impande yokuvusa induku elele. So amadoda amaningi ade isebenzisa leyo nto leyo. Impesu ke leyo ke. Akithi mina ke nse sense ke try lo bua ukopakopanya or mpesu ke eng. Mpesu impande ephuzwa amadoda ekuze ipipi likwazi ukusukuma. Amadoda aphethwe oshukela, badi BP, badi high blood pressure, badi tswekere, badi cancer, bana mujwala holo. Phela utshwala nabo it is something ukuthi yalibula lipipi. Mama ngamabi bujwala bola pipi. Bujwala bola pipi seriously. So as I was doing my research, coming to an issue ukuthi kahle yini ekhosa ukuthi amadoda amapipi abangavuki, ngithola ukuthi utshwala is the most serious thing which affects ubudoda bendoda. And kakhulu utshwala bu attack ama cells wenduku, bu attack imisipha yenduku nasemasendeni kakhulu. That's why you'll get ukuthi abantu abangavukelwa amasende abo nje bangathi amakhulu. Kuri ka re mareta bana ba maholo haholo. Ntho ya o bontsha go bujala botwa bo se bo qetile. Then impande lengiyenzile, impande ukuthi izokwazi ukuthi isizane ngezimo ezikanjalo. So ngiyenze impande yakhona igama layo indoda emnyama. Indoda emnyama impande biza imali engange 700 rands for abantu besilisa abathi banenkinga yokuvukelwa. First and foremost, the disadvantages in impesu is that when you have to use impesu, you must put impesu on your maheu, your juice, your what, rightly before sex. Then after, uzovugela mhlambe ushaye 2 round. Then tomorrow again you must do that. The next day again you must do that. The next day again you must do that. Some is 2, some is 1. Then uyenza njalo uphuze, then you'll be able to have sex. Uma ungayenzanga njalo, you won't be able to have sex. So by so saying, mpesu just give you a less time to be able to enjoy yourself, a less time to to be able to have sex. It just gives you that short time to enjoy yourself. Then afterwards it is gone. If impeso ayikho awuvukelwa. So you will need to go to enzeni uthele then uphuze. Then afterwards, after an hour, you'll be able to have sex. If awenzanga lokho, you won't be able to have sex. So the difference between mpesu and ndoda emnyama. Ndoda emnyama, you drink this thing for a period of 14 days, every day. Then when you drink ndoda emnyama, bareka Sesotho ke monna motsho. Ba bang ka Sepedi ba re ke monna motsotso. Ntse tja ga botse. Monna motsho ka Sesotho, ndoda emnyama ngesiZulu. Monna motsotso. Monna motsotso, it's a herb eyukuthi ikwazi ukuphakamisa amasosha wakho womzimba, ikwazi ukuphakamisa imizwa yakho yemzimba, ikwazi ukwenza umuntu ona 70 years abuyele to an age engangathi umuntu ongathi una 20 years or 15 years. Ikwazi ukwenza a 60-year-old ayikuhle kare o 10 years or 15 years ngendlela ephakamisa imizwa ngayo. Ngibuya ka monna motho. Monna motho, this is what you do. Lembiza uyayipheka noma lama herbs uyawapheka. Muqeda ukwapheka uyawaphuza. Muqeda ukwaphuza, lento le izokwazi ukuthi isukumise imizwa yakho. Not ukuthi before you have sex you must drink indoda emnyama. No, indoda emnyama uyiphuze nini or nini, induku yakho isiqala iyasukuma every day. Isukuma every day. Once, like now and then ifuna ukudla. Now and then ifuna ukushaya. Now and then ifuna ukushaya. Now and then ifuna ukudla. Ayidingi ukuthi wena uze uphuze manje kuze ukwazi uvukelwe. I don't know if you want to go na. Monna motho ndoda emnyama. There is no need for you ukuthi before sex kuze ukwazi ukuthi ukhale kumele uyiphuze. Monna motho awumonwele uyakhila. Ubulala ama bacteria akhosa utshwala, akhosa ushukela, akhosa ama cancer, akhosa ama BP, akhosa izifo eziningi ukuthi zikhona emzimbeni wakho. We get ukuthi abantu of which they are HIV infected, they are suffering to have sex in today's life. Because some of them, these people, they ended up taking their ARVs on a very later period. Kanti virus ibisidlile isimosha umzimba. Abanye abantu, they end up taking their what you call imithi yabo ye HIV kunegama engilifunela ngibalekela after a very a long time kuyikuthi iHIV is affected them badly nalibitso le batlang la mpalela badly. There are people of which HIV ibisiyenze ama virus adlula 4 million emzimbeni womuntu oyi1. Some of them 3 million, some of them 2 million. So somewhere somehow uma umuntu wesilisa induku yakho iya affect ngoba ama cancer ngithaba khona iya affecteka. So maybe uma affectekile, when what you need to do, we can never focus on the past that ngoba namaphutha you were in denial of your situation, the situation of which you had by that time. You were in denial of you have been sexually transmitted. You have been in denial of you on HIV. You have been in denial of manje usuyagula. Waba in denial for a very long time. Then you didn't take your meds. So on that issue, bawethu, lokho asigeke sikule ndaba ethi abantu abaningi induku zabo ziaffectwe yigulo ezithize esemzimbeni yabo. So by so saying, kumele senze indlela yokuthi laba bantu siyabasiza. Manje ngikhande umuthi igama lawo indoda emnyama. Indoda emnyama sichekile, it is 10%, I don't know whether I say 10 times. Let's start this video. How many minutes? 9. Let's start it. They have been saying, it's boring me, man. Okay, let's start right here. It's fine. You just cut 10%.
Yeah.
Let's start here.
And action.
So ndoda emnyama is being checked and all that. Ndoda emnyama it is 100% times many 10% amaningabi ukudlula impesu. So please, uma umuntu enenkinga njengomuntu wesilisa, you don't know what you really don't know what's happening with your ndugu yakho, what's wrong, what has affected your sexual status and all that. Please do make sure you just get a sum of 700 rand. Then you come to Mondio, 180 ENM Road, Mondio, Johannesburg. Just 700 rand. Uzothola umuthi wakho usebenzise uphuze lo muthi lo uzokusiza. So you can call me wherever la ukhona. Uma ukude we can courier le ndugu for wena. Ukwazi ukuthi uyisebenzise. Indoda emnyama it's an power booster. Indoda emnyama it's an healer. It's not just into iphuza manje then emva lokho isiphelile ngathi ama coffee la wasema garage. Hasiyona. Lena uyaphuza umuthi, ukuthi uphuza umuthi ubuyela esimeni sakho, ufole, urobalane, uhle monate. This is Dr. Hoti, Kehla Makhehla, nyanga enkulu, nyanga yase Ningizimu Afrika. Siyabonga.